To finish up this exercise, what I have to do is if I get an isometric view, what you see is that the master cam 000 is located here. And what we need to do is we need to have everything appear at this top left corner. I have instructions here as far as when you have the top view. If I turn around, and I've already done this, but this is the process. If I right click on the top here and I want to duplicate, then what you do is you actually created in the planes menu, you've created a copy of the top plane, but we're not going to do that because I've already done that here with op10. This was in the seed file, so this is already created as a copy of the top. So what I'm going to do is just make sure everything is equals here. I will then even, so now the op10, the world coordinate system, the construction, the tool plane are all here. Notice the offsets. This offset is set to 0 and this is set to 1. Well, 0 is the default for 54. 1 is the default for 55. So what it's doing is it's adding 1 to the 54 to make it 55. That's how this works here. But now what we're going to do is we are going to, this is highlighted, our op10. Everything is in place. What I need to do is come down here to the work offset, and I need to select the mouse, this icon right here, so it's select a new origin for the selected plane. I'm going to click that, and now what I'm going to do is now essentially the 000 mastercam 000 is now attached to my mouse. I'm going to zoom in, and I am now going to place that right on the corner. I'll enter, and that is now done. So now the 000 is now located right at the corner. Let me fit this here. So here you go. So now we've moved it from here to that location. The reason I didn't come up to move to origin is I want to have that tagged to my operation 10. So that then when I go and I select my different planes, now op10 plane, that is located here. Where that way it is actually chaining it to that particular plane. So this concludes the video for how to move bring an STL file in, a step file in, put stock around it, get it in the correct orientation in the vise.